Hello there. My name is Galileo. You may be wondering why I have no beard. I felt the need to shave, to look my best for you today. Now you may also be wondering why I am talking to you this fine afternoon. This is because I feel the need to share my discoveries and how they have affected life in 2012. Let me begin by telling you a little background knowledge. I was the first child of 6, and was born in Pisa, Italy, on February the 15th, 1564. My family was included in nobility but yet was not one of the rich. Later in life I moved with my family to Florence, Italy. I began my studies in priesthood at Pisa University, but later changed to the medical field. Before finishing my medical degree, I changed my profession a final time to mathematics, where I became chair of mathematics in Pisa. In 1592 I accepted a new job offer as a mathematician at the University of Padua. While in Padua I met a lovely woman by the name of Marina Gamba. We never married but had 3 children, the first Virginia, then Livia, and finally a boy named Vincenzo. During my profession I did a bit of inventing and discovering. I also founded quite a few different philosophies. A philosophy I enhanced was the relativity of motion. The philosophy was first thought of by Aristotle, with the thought that heavier objects would fall faster than lighter objects. I, however, disproved the idea, and found that all objects, no matter the density, fall at the same rate. My most famous invention was the telescope. I made my first telescope in 1609, modelled after telescopes produced in other parts of Europe that could magnify objects 3 times. Later I created a telescope that could magnify objects 20 times. With this telescope, I was able to look at the moon, discover the 4 satellites of Jupiter, observe a supernova, verify the phases of Venus, and discover sunspots. My discoveries with the telescope proved the Copernican system, which states that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. This was a great impact for people of my time, for they were capable of starting new studies. They found that the enhancement of the first telescope was brilliant. To have the option to look at things at such a distance, that you could discover new knowledge about Earth and the mysteries of the universe was remarkable. With my invention through time, people were capable of learning much about our solar system, to a point that they felt safe with sending our kind out to explore the wonders of our galaxy. Now you may be wondering why anything I did in my time matters. Well, this is why. If it wasn't for my invention of the 20x telescope, then the world would never have known that there were other planets out there. People would never have realized that we rotate around the Sun in certain time intervals that measure out a year. People of 2012 would never have been able to travel to the Moon or to Mars, or even be capable of knowing there is a Moon or Mars. You see, boys and girls, without my invention, life of 2012 would never have been the same. Now, to finish up with my speech, I would like to say thank you for listening, and I appreciate everything that present day has done, like creating shuttles and space stations in order to continue the study of astronomy, physics, and matter.